Hi, I'm Sharon Bill. As I continue to work through the ABRSM Grade 1 Discovering Music Theory workbook, I now move on to Chapter 8, looking at the topic of intervals. The full lesson can be found on my Patreon channel if you go to patreon.com/Sharon Bill, or you'll find the link in the cards in the description box. In this lesson, I talk about how to count the distance between notes and how to describe the musical interval between certain notes, counting from the root note in the major keys that we've studied so far. Sample examples of this lesson can be found at the end of this little video. And once you feel that you're ready to take your ABRSM Grade 1 Music Theory exam, my book, How to Take Your ABRSM Music Theory Exam, will help you to best prepare for your exam and also how to make the best use of your exam time on exam day. This is available from Amazon, and again, you can find the links in the cards and in the description box. Enjoy your studies. Bye. And another way we can work them out, because we perhaps don't always want to be referring to the piano keyboard, if we just count the distance, and we're always counting line, space, line, space, line, space to count every single step. So from C to D is line, space, 1, 2. From C to E is line, space, line, 1, 2, 3. From C to F, counting this first step, 1, 2, 3, 4. And so we're counting from F is 1, then space, line, space, 1, 2, 3, F, G, A. A is a third, so that's a third. You don't just write 3, you do call it a third, fourth, fifth, just as you do with dates on the calendar. We're describing the intervals, not just 2, it's a third, it's a distance of a third. So we have G, 1, 2, 3, that's a third. That's B, that's correct. We've gone from G to B. Now here we've gone from G to E, counting line, space, line, space, line, space. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. E is a 6, that's correct. I'll stay in 4/4 and I'm going to write it as semi-breves again, but now I know that 4/4 can be written as common time, so I'll do that. And then we have our middle C as the tonic, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, there's our octave. And again, because it's a harmonic interval, because it's a chord, they've got to be placed one on top of the other, and you've got to get those aligned together so that they're sort of centered together, because they both need to be played at the same time exactly, and we don't want the performer to be confused, and if you see that and then this is a little bit to the right, it looks like it's played afterwards. We need to show that they need to be played together.